Hey there! Welcome to our new channel. I'm your host Shloka Shinoy, and today we are diving into a topic that's going to make your IELTS prep journey a whole lot easier. We know prepping for exams can be tough, but fear not. We are about to turn your study sessions into an adventure with the top 5 helpful apps for IELTS preparations. Alright, let's dive in. But be sure to explore our other videos for even more entertaining and engaging content. First up, we've got the IELTS Prep app from the British Council. It's like having the examiner spill all the beans on what they're looking for. From expert tips to authentic practice tests, this app is your golden ticket to IELTS excellence. A pro tip: don't miss the interactive exercises. They're like a language workout for your brain. Now, let's talk about building that vocabulary powerhouse with IELTS Word Power. It's not your average vocabulary app. It's a game changer. Turn your learning sessions into a playful journey and watch that vocab grow. Spoiler alert: your vocabulary will thank you later in speaking and writing sections. Speaking of vocabulary, we've got another one: IELTS Vocabulary Flashcards. It's time to ditch the old school flashcards and embrace the new digital era. These interactive flashcards are designed to make your memory dance with joy. Get ready to impress the examiners with words that pop. Now, let's bring in the big ones with the official Cambridge Guide IELTS mobile app. It's like having the Cambridge Wizards guide you through the enchanting world of IELTS. Packed with practice tests, expert advice, and interactive exercises, this app is your Hogwarts letter to IELTS success. Last but certainly not the least, we have the IELTS Exam Prep by Magoosh. Think of it as your personal IELTS coach in your pocket. With video lessons, practice questions, and detailed explanations, Magoosh is here to transform you into an IELTS superstar. Get ready for some serious brain gains. And there you have it, the fantastic 5 apps that are about to revolutionize your IELTS journey. In fact, if you'd like to know more about apps like these, have a look at our blogs on the same and start your prep with a bang. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and let's conquer the IELTS together. Until next time, happy learning!